Levi Ackerman is a famous character in Attack on Titan and famous for having sharp tongue. Needless to say, he has fascinated a lot of weebs till today. Have you ever wondered, how would I sound like if I speak like Levi Ackerman in real life? Sadly, you might sound like rude and cheesy and weird. But actually, you can get a lot of amazing vocabularies from him. So today, I'm going to introduce several rude phrases from Levi, and I will teach you how to convert it into real life conversation. Let's get started. So let me start my favorite phrase of Levi.
お前らの英雄ごっこに付き合ってられないんだよ。
よく喋るな、豚野郎。
よく喋るな、豚野郎 means talking big, huh, you pig. よく喋るな is like you talk a lot. And then 豚野郎. What is this 豚野郎? 豚 is a pig, right? This 野郎 means bastard. But he's too rude in this situation. So you wanna be polite because we are Japanese. So you can just say よく喋りますね、豚さん. No. Anyway, this is rude, so never use this phrase. And probably you've heard of この野郎.
なんだこの野郎。
So this means you bastard, but we never use it in real life. Okay, so don't use it. So let's see next rude word.
おい、ガキども。これはどういう状況だ。
おい、ガキども。これはどういう状況だ。おい is rude way to call someone. おい、おい. I don't recommend you to use おい because you sound like you are angry. When you call someone, we just say すみません. This is okay. Don't say oi. And then he said, ガキども means brats. ガキ is used when you insult kids. これはどういう状況だ? What the hell is going on here? But actually, he didn't say 地獄, which means hell. I mean, we don't really use swear words at all in Japanese. But the way he talk is saying, what the hell, for me. So how can I convert this phrase into daily phrase? You can just say, これはどういう状況ですか? 状況 means situation. For example, you walk into your office and then you see the office is really messy. More messy than usual. So you say, これはどういう状況ですか? What's going on here? What is this situation? Let's see next one.
面白い面しやがって。
面白い面しやがって。面白い is a vulgar way to say 面白い. It sounds really manly. And then 面 is also like rude way to say face or expression. 面白い面しやがって sounds like you got a funny face. Hey, if you make this sentence into polite form, you can say 面白い顔ですね. You have a funny face. You know, anyway, it's rude. You can't use this phrase. Let's go next one.
分かりきったことをピーピーわめくな。
分かりきったことをピーピーわめくな。分かりきったこと is obvious thing. わめくな is like don't shout, okay? But he said ピーピー before it. What is ピーピー? ピーピー is like you are crying like a bird. ピーピーピーピー. So ピーピーわめくな is like don't shout in tears. So 分かりきったことをピーピーわめくな. This means don't even talk about obvious thing.
俺にはわかる。こいつは本物の化け物だ。
俺にはわかる。こいつは本物の化け物だ。俺にはわかる。This is not too rude, but 俺 sounds a bit vulgar to use in daily life. So you can just replace it with 僕。僕にはわかる。I can see. 私にはわかる。I can see. And he said, こいつは本物の化け物だ。こいつ is so rude way to say this person. And then 化け物だ。化け物 means beast. So こいつは本物の化け物だ。So this person is a real beast. I don't recommend you to say こいつ to address someone. But actually we use 化け物 to say someone is great at something. For example, コナー・マクレガーは化け物だ。Because he's too strong, right? He don't lose. Also, you can use it for someone who is really smart. 彼はいろんな言語を話せます。まるで化け物です。
気分はどうだ？
気分はどうだ？気分はどうだ means how are you feeling? Yes, it's not really a rude word, But the way he say is cool in anime, but not in real life conversation. Because it sounds so cheesy, you know. So you can just say, 気分はどうですか? To take care for someone. 気分はどうですか? How are you feeling?
てめえの脳みそはそのうすらひげみてえにスカスカか？
てめえの脳みそはそのうすらひげみてえにスカスカか? So this is also my favorite phrase. So basically he's really insulting this person. てめえ means like you, but it's rude. Ruder than saying お前. And it's only used in anime, I think. And 脳みそ is brain. うすらひげ. うすらひげ means 薄いひげ. 薄い means thin. Okay, ひげ means beard. So thin beard. And he also said みてえに. みてえに is みたいに. Be like. And スカスカか? スカスカ means low density or empty. So てめえの脳みそはそのうすらひげみてえにスカスカか means is your brain empty like your thin beard? Okay, but this phrase is too difficult to convert into real life. You can just say バカ? Baka? Are you stupid? So skaska is like used for empty or like low in density. So you can say この電車はスカスカです。このレストランはスカスカです。このサンドイッチはスカスカです。
無駄だ。
無駄だ。無駄 means useless. We actually use this 無駄 in daily life. Like ゲームは時間の無駄です。最近無駄遣いをしてしまいます。So that's it for the part 1. I hope you get some vocabularies from him. As I mentioned earlier, he sounds so cool in anime, but he might sound so cheesy in daily life. I don't recommend you to use anime phrases all the time, but I think it's a bit funny if you use it sometimes, just sometimes. Just use it to make someone laugh. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of video, I'm going to make more videos like this in the future. So please subscribe and wait for it. And don't forget to hit the like button. Bye. ほな。